Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to be installing Get a Grip handlebar grips on my 2023 Road King Special. So without wasting too much time, let's take a look at the grips and get them installed on the bike. Alright guys, here are the grips. Let's get them out of the box really quickly. You get the manual inside obviously. Don't really need that. Not a whole lot to say about them. Obviously the black matches the bike quite nicely. Alright, you get your Harley logo here, and the grips themselves are nice and rubbery and very grippy. So the only difference, as you will see between the two, this one has the little notches, and we'll see which one goes where once I take the stock ones off. Alright, so let's go ahead and take the stock ones off and get these installed on the bike. Alright, so first thing that we're going to do is we're going to have to loosen up this clamp here. There's two bolts, and then on the other side we have two more bolts here and here. Once we take these bolts off, this front plate will come off and we'll be able to access the grip to take it off. Alright, let's go ahead and do it. Alright guys, so this stock grip is off. Alright, we are going to grab the one with no grooves on it, and you'll also be able to see the little ratchet inserts that will go right over the throttle. And also, as you're placing it, make sure the bar and shield logo is facing towards you. Alright, and also make sure it's not upside down just like this way. Alright. One quick note guys, to make your life a little easier is first take this front plate off and only then loosen up these two bolts in order to take out the stock grip. Okay, and that's really it. So let's go ahead and do the clutch side. As you may or may not know, the stock grips are glued on. So what I'm going to try to do is once I take off the front plate off, I'm going to see if I can actually remove the grip by twisting it. If that doesn't work, I'm going to have to actually make a cut and peel it off that way. And then obviously smooth out the surface before the new grip will go on. Alright, let's go ahead and do it. Alright guys, figured I'll make a quick stop to point a couple things out, but I did have to, as you see, remove the clutch completely to give me some range of motion to remove the stock grips and also to insert the new one. As you saw, this grip specifically has grooves in it, and so does this area right here in the front. So basically, there's going to be a groove on this side and a groove on the other side. The way I found is the easiest way to kind of get started is when you separate these two pieces. You kind of rotate the grip into the back groove first and then rotate forward, and eventually it'll actually stop itself right over here, right where that horn switch is area, and you'll see it, there's a little cutout for it. So basically that's kind of how it goes. You'll also know that just by looking at Harley's barn shield. Make sure it's facing up, okay? Alright guys, so that was a fairly quick and easy install of Get a Grip handlebar grips. As you have seen from the video, I did not necessarily struggle, but it took a little bit of a while to take off the clutch side grip. Honestly, this is the first time I've ever seen so much glue on the grip like it was on this bike, and I've taken quite a few grips off before on my other Harleys, and I've never seen this much glue. So I not only did I have to cut it off, I literally had to keep cutting off the rubber off of the actual handlebars because they were glued. Every piece of rubber seemed to be touching that handlebar. But anyway, you know, you just cut it off, get it all you know, cleaned up as much as possible. I got a sandpaper to finish off the area so the new grips can go on fairly easily, and that's it. And like I said, just take your time, align them properly, and readjust them as you need them for your riding style, and that's it. Alright guys, so that will do it for today. As always, if this video was useful to some of you, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and I will see you guys soon. Take care.